Complying with the Bank Secrecy Act's anti-money-laundering or AML fraud detection requirements is a lot of work for your bank or credit union. Chances are, one of your key strategic initiatives is to automate 100% of compliance-related tasks. But for every single alert that's generated by your AML platform, your people can't even begin an investigation without logging into lots of different systems and databases and pulling all of the required information to create a single case folder. Now you can automate all of this important processing and data gathering with Robotic Process Automation, or RPA bots, from the lab, North America's banking automation authority. Here's a real AML alert processing bot at work.
Hello!
First, it logs into the bank's AML platform. Bots from the lab can use any AML platform. Here, this one is using BAM Plus from Abrigo. It navigates to the View Cases dashboard.
And there they are.
It downloads them all as a CSV file, giving it a proper file name and saving it to just the right subfolder on the shared drive.
Now I analyze each case by product type. This is how I'll decide which systems to gather my next data from for each one. Depending on what I find, I might dive into the online account opening system, the ACH payment facilitation system, and/or the core.
For this case, the bot logs into the core. Bots from the lab can use any core. Here, this one is using Fiserv Premier Navigator.
I've got my own user ID and password, just like you humans.
It searches by account number for the first case.
Bang! There's all the information.
Now it's downloading the customer profile and all of the balance sheets and saving them as PDFs to that specific case folder on the shared drive. It's selecting current and previous cycle and downloads them too.
Do you realize how much work this would be for a person?
Now the bot logs into yet another system, the online account opening system, for accounts that were opened online.
Obviously.
Again, bots from the lab can use any system. Here, this bank uses Q2 Grow. We've sped this up here because it actually takes about 20 seconds just to log in.
Boring.
It searches by social security number and date range.
And now I download the customer application details and save them as a PDF.
If the account wasn't opened online, the bot logs into the document management system and ACH payment facilitation system to pull the required AML and fraud detection documentation for each banking product type.
Now I pull the last 90 days of checking account statements, customer information, due diligence, and signature card documents. That's a lot of stuff. So I compress it as a zip file and save it to the network drive. Now I pull the customer balance sheets from the ACH payment facilitation system. And I keep on going for every single case.
When it's done, it closes all the applications. And then it builds a table showing every single fraud documentation folder it created and emails it to the analyst team.
So they can begin their investigations.
Look, here are all the ACH transactions from just one case. It takes a person about 35 minutes to pull all the documents to create just one case folder.
I do it in seconds and 100% automated. I can save you anywhere from 1,000 to 6,000 hours of labor each year or more. Whether you're a 100-employee credit union or community bank, a 5,000-employee super regional bank, or a top 10 credit union.
That helps hedge against employee turnover and locks in a 100% automated process while improving information security too. Automate your bank or credit union's essential activities. Contact the lab today.